Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a TNT 135 exhaust that came from AliExpress, also known as the SRF 135 from QJ Motor. And this one in particular is a pretty nice one, and I just wanted to show because there's not too many people buying from AliExpress. So to start, just like any other Chinese box, it came in a little beat up, but it's okay, it didn't hurt the contents. So inside, everything is packaged very nicely. I will admit I've already opened this to look at it, so if you see stuff off, that's why. I got my paper over here. First we have our clamp. This is going to go around the actual can that came with it. Then we have our piping. This is the header pipe right here. It's the first time I'm taking it out of the plastic. And at first glance, it looks really good. It has the O2 sensor right here, just like it's supposed to. The bung, it looks like it's very nice welds. It has the silencer right here, or the resonator, and it's set up just the way that it needs to be. It has the spring over here, the mount for the spring, and the springs are inside here. Next, we have our mid pipe right here. Again, I didn't take this out yet. This is the first time opening it, but our mid pipe's the same. It's like pretty good quality. There's no welds on this, it's just expanded. And then we have our other side of the spring. Looks very good as well. Mounting up. Mounts up pretty good. I thought I was gonna have a little burr there, but it wasn't. And then we have the part that actually goes to the can. Again, very nice piece. I'm actually pretty impressed with the welds on this one. It's the first time seeing it, but can you see the welds? If you look, this is obviously TIG welded, and they did a pretty good job because those are very, very nice welds. And this is a pretty good quality. From typically the ones you can get, they're a little more expensive from the US, but this one was around $130. Again, more springs and also the clips that come with it, the brackets. And then what everybody wants to see, which can. There were multiple can choices. This particular one I picked, I wanted to go with the black. I thought it looked kind of nice, and I still think it does. See, this one is pretty nice. The setup of it, it's got a little bit of a nice resonator in there, and it makes it look like it's a giant exhaust, which obviously it is not. So that's all of it. I just wanted to show it, and for now, and so we're going to go ahead and install this on the bike. We'll do a before and after and see what happens. Thanks for watching.